All right, this is the wildest thing I've seen since work at the shop. This is the 7th Volvo today that's got a busted coolant hose right there at the DEF system. We've already fixed 4. There's one sitting down the road that way, one another that way. We fixed 4 out of the 7. We don't have enough mechanics to fix it all. All the same problem, all 7. How is that possible? How crappy are these Volvos? Okay, check it out. It's a Volvo V13 next to the F region. Okay, look, see right there. This hose right here, it feels like it's got something broken off of it. It's not connected to anything. And then there's that piece right next to it. The coolant is just straight up coming out. All right, this one makes it 8 for the day. 8. That's just in Asheville area, only on I-26. Like in this, what, 10-mile span? So, if that happened in one day within 10 miles of Asheville, I'm wondering how many of these went down in this rainstorm. It's insane. Apparently, it's a plastic hose, and when it rains real hard, water gets on it, cracks and breaks. Big rainstorm through Asheville. 8 Volvos down. Here's number 4 of the 4 that we did. All buttoned up and ready to go. Ain't no but a thing, baby.